All right, let's move on to the fourth type of connected speech, which is assimilation. Assimilation is when a sound completely changes. So have a look at this. We don't say don't you. No, we join those two words together and we say don't you. Don't you. Don't you like drinking coffee? Here's another one. Meet you. Meet you. As you can see, it's a bit hard to say that, meet you. So we join those two words together and just say meet you. Meet you. It's nice to meet you. Next one, had you. Had you. No, we say had you. Had you. Had you ever been there before? And finally, last example, would you. Would you. No, we simply say would you. Would you? Would you like to go to the beach next week? Now, please note that sometimes the final sound can be pronounced as an sound. So in some accents, we don't say don't chew, we'd say don't cha. Don't cha. We wouldn't say meet you, we'd say meet cha. It's nice to meet ya. Had you, had ya. Would you, would ya.